Hi guys, so I saw my neighbor using a Rainx product. He heard great things about it. He ended up using it and didn't use it properly. And what happened was that the product ended up being dried out and now he's dealing with the consequences. This product is absolutely amazing. Works wonders. I've been using it for about close to 15 years now. So I thought I'll just do a quick video on how to use Rainx. There are basically three major products they have. They just came up with this extreme clean product you can see on the far left. The water repellent, I absolutely love that product. I use it every 3 months or so, and then the almost a daily, weekly user is the two-in-one glass cleaner. So before I go and talk about how to apply this product, let me just do a quick introduction. So the product you see on the Extreme Clean, it is basically for very old glasses. I've used it. It is rather rough, and because my car is rather clean, I just wash it on a weekly basis. So it didn't just kind of work for me. But again, if you have really old glass, you want to just get rid of like that layer on top. Extreme Clean is actually a very useful product. Just keep in mind that it gets dried out. It creates a lot of powder, and so you just want to make sure it's not a windy day. So what I'm going to do is just quickly talk about how to apply the water repellent product, which is in the middle right here, and then we're going to follow up with the Rainx. Again, we'll give you a couple of quick tips. So watch the video on how to go about doing things. So the first thing you have to do before you apply the water repellent liquid is just you want to make sure the glass is clean. So my glass is rather clean. Again, this video is not about how to clean your windshield. I'm just going to clean it. I have a way of doing it. I'm just going to use water with a bit of soap. You can use your favorite product. Just make sure it's clean, and then we'll go ahead and apply the product. So the glass is clean. What we're going to do is just apply this product. You can use applicators. You can do all sorts of different things. And what I like to do is just take a paper towel and make my own sort of like an applicator, and just have some paper towel, dry paper towel handy, or you have some sort of fiber cloth. So what I like to do is apply the product. And just apply it evenly. You want to make sure that it's not a very hot day. If the glass is really, really hot, it's going to dry out. And again, that's just going to create a lot of problems. And you also want to do is make sure there are not a lot of, there's basically about a minute or so between you applying it and then drying it out. So once you have done the better part of the window, just go ahead and use the wet part to apply it evenly. Again, you can use a microfiber cloth, or you can use paper towel to just wipe it off. That is the most critical part, guys. If you just don't wipe it off, trust you me, it's just not going to create. It's going to create a lot of problems. And so I'll go ahead and apply that on the other side as well. And this is how you go about using the product. One thing I would recommend is that you not only use this product on the front windshield, but also on your side mirrors and the front windows, of course, the back back window, whatever you call it. It just really, really helps out. I hope you like it. Again, just remember, apply it quickly, not on a hot day. The glass shouldn't be very hot, not in direct sunlight. Just apply it evenly, and then just be ready to wipe it off. Do not leave more than a minute in between, so that if once it dries out, it will just leave a spot. And so one thing I forgot to tell you, as a matter of fact, once you have this product, once you're done applying, one thing I would highly recommend is just apply that to the wiper blades. So I'm going to move the camera and just quickly apply to the wiper blades. Here, just do the exact same thing. Apply it and then go ahead and apply it evenly. With this one, by the way, I use it on a weekly basis. So just keep in mind the way just I apply it again, I will just do half a glass. And then you can use a paper towel, you can do whatever you have. Just apply it one round. Doesn't have to be this, it's just what I have right now. Apply it evenly. And as I said, the trick is to make sure that you wipe it off and make sure it's dry. So with the top part, I'm gonna apply it evenly. And then with the dry, make sure everything is absolutely dry. It's not leaving marks. It works wonders. It works like a magic. I hope you liked the video. Thanks.